Communicative strategies are strategies that language learners use to overcome communication problems in order for them to convey their intended meaning.
There are 7 types of communicative strategies: nomination, restriction, turn-taking, topic control, topic shifting, repair, and termination.
Nomination: presenting a particular topic clearly, truthfully, and saying only what is relevant. Also, proposing or suggesting a topic and beginning or opening a discussion. Restriction is limiting the topic or subject in conversation. Also, it constrains or restricts the response of the other person involved in the communication situation. Turn-taking is recognizing when and how to speak because it is one's turn. Also, it process by which people decides who takes the conversational floor. Topic control is regulating or manipulating the topic of the conversation and how long we want the person may talk. And also, it keeps the interaction going by asking questions and eliciting a response. Topic shifting is changing the subject in a conversation, moving from one topic to another. Also, introducing a new topic followed by the continuation of that topic. Repair: overcoming communication breakdown to send more comprehensible messages. Also, it shows how the speaker addressed the problems in speaking, listening, and comprehending that they may encounter in a conversation. Termination: using verbal and non-verbal signals to end the interaction. Also, ending the conversation or closing a discussion.
Hey Devon, did you finish the movie I recommended? If yes, how was it? Yes, I watched it last night. It was good.
In the first scenario, it shows how Alfred opened a topic about the movie he recommended to Devon. They have shown the communicative strategy, which is nomination.
So, good morning everyone. So, today we are going to start a meeting about the upcoming clubs fair and suggestions on what activity we're going to have. I think probably would be a great idea. Okay. That's great. But for me, marriage would be fine. Marriage. I think our idea is great now. Okay, that's it. Marriage group will be our activity for upcoming clubs fair.
In this scenario, Nicole portrayed as a president of AP Club who asked her members about their suggestions and what activity are they going to do, and it shows a scenario of a restriction.
Friend, what is your favorite color? I like the color yellow. How about you? I like the color blue. Yeah, I also love warm color like red and orange. Well, I prefer cold colors like green and violet. I like also a pastel color. Me too.
In this scenario, Devon and Alfred showed an example of turn-taking scenario, wherein they are take turns on saying something which is relevant to their topics, which is about colors.
Oh, do you have any hobbies? My hobby is reading, especially in Wattpad. How about you too? Do you also read in Wattpad?
I do read in Wattpad. I actually started reading it recently.
I also read in Wattpad, but right now, I don't really have time to read.
Oh, so what's your favorite author? Mine is Einstein. I just love how she wrote her characters, and also her stories are about tackling mental health, like depression. And also, she earned her psychology degree.
Mine is Joanna, although she has her own reading app, but she is my favorite. I just love how green flag her characters are.
Wow, that's great. My favorite author is Binibining Mia. Her stories are mostly historical. I feel like I have traveled through time.
That's amazing! My favorite stories is Mistakes We Can Laugh About by Einstein. I just love how strong her characters are. And also, I just love how green facts the main leads are. How about you? What is your favorite story?
love you since 1892. It is a historical. The twist is very brilliant.
Mine is Heartless by Chana. I just love how he wrote the characters, especially the main leads. He's so green flag.
Wow, that's great!
In this scenario, Micaela, Nicole, and Arlene are exchanging words and they focus only on their topic, which is Wattpad. Micaela is asking questions where Arlene and Nicole will respond. They have shown the communicative strategy, which is topic control.
Oh, Nicole, did you already watch the K-drama Dr. London? This story revolves a doctor who is learning from his masters. Also, the K-drama tackles about mental health issues like depression.
Yes, I did. The K-drama was so good, and I can say that the characters were so motivating and inspiring. By the way, we just finished our performance task with SP.
Yes, of course, I did. Did you?
Of course!
That's great!
This scenario, they use the communicative strategy, which is topic shifting, wherein they both are talking about the K-drama, the Dr. Romantic. Then suddenly, Nicole changed the topic by asking if Micaela already finished her performance task.
Wait, I called you back in 10 minutes. Does that mean that you don't want to talk to me now? No, I want to talk. I just need a few minutes. I call you back in 10 minutes. Oh, okay. I thought you were hanging up on me. Sorry for the confusion. I talk to you later. Okay, thanks.
Example, there is a confusion in a conversation. Arlene clarified to Micaela that she will want to talk but need a short break because she needs to do something. These show one of the communicative strategies, which is repair.
Oh no, it's freaking getting late now. I need to head home now. Let's catch up again tomorrow. Yeah, me too. Thanks for the great time. Bye! Take care.
In this scenario, Nicole said goodbye to Hannelyn for having a good time spending the night with her friend, saying goodbye to end their discussion. This shows the communicative strategies, which is termination.